This morning we're in Ocean Falls, which is kind of a ghost town, sort of, mostly. It used to be a town with quite a lot of people, because it had cheap housing. People would come up here, and there used to be a mill, and there's a hydroelectric plant there, which is still in use. And there used to be a big hotel and stuff, and now the hotel is just completely abandoned. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting to go explore. Dad's off with the crab trap and the kayak to go drop it, because we saw some other people who had lots of crabs. So Dad got excited. The town's just this way. This town is basically abandoned. I'm gonna go see the abandoned part of town. This is the old hotel here in Ocean Falls. Abandoned, of course. It's such a nice location. Looked like this place had a really nice balcony overlooking the sea. From what I've gathered, a bunch of people moved here in like the 80s, 90s because it was super cheap and beautiful. They get places out here. A couple abandoned houses here. There's about 25 people who live on the island full time now. On the island, who live in Ocean Falls. There's about 25 people who live in Ocean Falls now. And then more that come in the summer. For all intents and purposes, it's abandoned. You can see the makings of what was like a vibrant community that had a bunch of houses, a bunch of infrastructure, but it has been all just left with all the people. It seems like most of the people who still live here are like retirees who are living on their pension, sort of thing. Old government jobs, and then they move out here. Just have peace, I guess. Old church. Looks like what could be another hotel up on the hill. Look at this old van. The hydroelectric dams over here. And this powers all the power for all the nearby communities like Bella Bella and Shearwater. We have a tour bus here from Alberta, abandoned, strangely enough. Here we have an old Hostess van. This is the old bank inn. It's the old bank building. It has ice cream, and it's one of the only businesses that is still alive here. I'd actually be really interested to see what these buildings and what this town looked like when it was in its heyday. Morning run to Martin Valley, I think it's called. It's the next town over from Ocean Falls. which isn't even really a town anymore. And I think it has a few more little things. I think it's more populated, at least past the 25 person mark that Ocean Falls is at.
But they're more expensive. They're not just a rental place because it's everything's included, right?
Ocean Falls is trying to rebuild, of course, on a different scale, as it's a small community there now. They have a little gift shop and a post office and a courthouse, and I've heard they have a very nice, vibrant community. And if desserts are any indication, that would be correct.